In this video, I'll detail how to turn on and off portrait mode on Snapchat or the focus mode. So the portrait mode is also referred to as your focus mode on Snapchat. So this works on Android and on iPhone. So this is quick and easy. So if at the end of this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable or disable portrait mode on Snapchat, all you just need to do is open the Snapchat application on your iPhone or Android. So this is basically the same. Then to enable the portrait mode first, all you just need to do is click on this plus icon. Then scroll down, and then you should see focus, highlight the subject of your snap, then make sure you click on this plus icon. Then once the focus mode is enabled, this is going to enable the portrait mode automatically. So literally you should see the focus icon here just beneath the draw camera, just beneath the camera here, and that is going to enable focus mode on your Snapchat account. So if you want to turn off or disable the focus mode or portrait mode on your Snapchat account, there are a few ways to do this. So here I'm just going to show you two different methods you can use to do this. First is just go ahead and click on the portrait mode icon, and that is going to remove the portrait mode, and that's to tell you that you've successfully turned off the portrait mode. However, if you have the portrait mode active and you're trying to click the portrait mode but it's not working, all you just need to do here is go ahead and click on the plus icon, and then once you click on that, scroll down to the bottom again, and then locate the focus mode. You can see the focus mode is enabled. Go ahead and click on this X icon, and that's going to remove the focus mode and disable the portrait mode on the Snapchat application on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily turn on or turn off portrait mode on Snapchat on iPhone or now exiting. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.